Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video guys, we are going to cash stuff our first paycheck for the month of February. Yes, you hear me right, February guys, which means, ay, ang bilis ng panahon. End of first month of 2024 na and we are now in the second month. And sa isang iglap lang, wala na, magiging December na ito. So, are you ready guys para mag-cash stuff na naman ng bagong sweldo, ng bagong budget? I'm so excited for today's video guys. By the way, for those who are new in my channel, my name is Val. I am a mom, a wife. I'm 31 years old. I do have 2 kids. I work full-time in a corporate company here in Cebu City, Philippines. And I also have a side business where I'm earning in a quarterly basis. I'm partnering with my friends in the events industry. So yeah, that's my background guys. And in my channel, I share my own personal experience. I share my own personal finance, budgeting, cash stuffing, savings goal, and anything that is related to finance. So if you are something into that kind of topic, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, and click the notification bell so every time I will be uploading new videos, you will get notified. So, yun na nga guys, yung ating income for this month of February. I haven't done my month reset, which I will be doing it now, as in now. First paycheck, so 16,000. Okay, so this is full time, so I was expecting it's 16,000. I'm not expecting anything else. And then for the debt, let me just total guys magkano yung ating expenses for this month, for this paycheck rather. $18,250. So, yan yung expected natin. And then, yung na-receive ko, actually, the actual income, it's 18,400. Oopsie! This is gonna be oopsie talaga. Dahil, mas malaki yung expenses natin kaysa income, which is I don't know guys, this can survive. Anyways, let's all count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 400. Oopsie. This is oopsie. This is oopsie. Okay. Alrighty. So let's start with our utang. Debt. Can I did it? Yes, can. So unahin natin yung utang guys, which is 2.5. This is going to be 1.5 for the cellphone. 1 year to go na lang guys at mapo-fully pay na namin yun. It's an S23 Plus na cellphone. Tapos 1K naman for the for the passport there. Savings, mamaya na yan. Grocery, actually hindi ko pa siya talaga na kuha sa envelope na to guys because I haven't done my credit card transactions pa. So, I'm gonna do it after this cash stuffing. But, I'll just put 2K here. Actually, I'm planning 1.5 na lang siguro para may extra pa. Sige, 1.5 na lang. Okay. Para may sukli tayo. So, yan, 1.5. Guys, I'm still thinking of some other topics that we can talk about here in my channel aside from this one. Maybe what we can do is to gumawa tayo dito ng Q&A portion. So, comment down below guys ano yung mga question and answer. Ano yung mga katanungan ninyo. Kahit anong question guys, ay comment nyo lang sa baba. We'll do a Q&A session. So, for the allowance, it's gonna be 4K. That is because I am 250 multiplied by how many days before the next paycheck. That's how you're gonna do it. Okay? That's how you're going to do it with your allowance, guys. Personal allowance. Para hindi kayo short for next time. Now we have also the public transportation, which is 1K. Actually, I need to increase my budget for this one because masyadong mahal yung transportation namin ngayon. I will share it in the next videos probably guys. I will let you know kasi kinocompile ko pa talaga kung magkano yung transportation expenses namin ng aking eldest and me, of course. So that's for the Veco. And then for Momshi, this 1K. So by the way, I cut myself here. So this one meron tayong Band-Aid guys. But no worries, malayo yan sa bituka. It's really fine. And then we have for the vitamins, 500. Alam nyo guys, yung funny ha, kasi yung vitamins, inano ko lang siya for our personal na vitamins allowance or budget. Ang ending, nakuhan ko siya ng 400 kasi merong mga garapata. Oo, garapata. Yung mga malalaking kuto yung dalawang dogs namin. At super nakakaawa. I think I will flash a video here or I will put some photo. Medyo kadiri siya, so you can always turn off or skip guys, or if you want me to blur. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I'm considering putting it in the screen na kasi medyo nakakadiri talaga, baka hindi siya appealing to some viewers here. But anyways, talagang nakakawa kasi super extreme madami siya. Hindi namin alam ano nangyari, bakit ganon siya kadami. Bakit ganon kalaki yung mga kuto niya. So we do have a vet na sa likod lang ng bahay namin. So every time na nagkakasakit yung dogs namin and every time na pinapashot namin sila ng anti-rabies, siya yung tinatawag namin. And by the way, yung 2 dogs namin are Askal. So they don't have any breed at all. So, gano'n naman sa Kalab. So, ang nangyari pala, explain ni vet, si Sir Max, sabi niya, maybe baka may namatay na aso, tapos yung mga garapata or kuto nung namatay is napunta daw sa kanilang dalawa. So, yun, parang rent-free yung mga kuto. So, anyways, to cut the story short, meron gamot na pinainom namin sa kanila sa tablet, guys. Tapos, minix lang namin sila sa liver spread kasi kailangan siyang kainin ng aso. Or kailangan siyang i-wrap ng something na dapat makakain siya ng aso. Otherwise, kapag naamoy siya ng aso, iluluwa niya. So, yun yung klaseng gamot. I don't know what's the name of it, pero yun yung So, 400 yung nabayaran ko sa aming vet. So, yun yung nakuha dito sa aming vitamins na part, and I considered it like medicine or medical funds. So, 2, 3 for the, meron bang 300 dito? Wala. So, 2, 3. 2, 3. So, still continuous pa rin yung swimming class ng aking eldest. At saka, ay naitatabi pa naman ako dito. So, that's still okay. So, for the tuition, it's 1.5. Nagtatabi ako ng tuition every now and then. Guys, actually, as I've explained before, sinasali ko na siya sa aking monthly expenses because I need to know, guys, if I can afford paying this tuition and sending him off to that school, especially with the allowance, kung kaya ba talaga ng sahod ko. So, yun lang. 250. Wala. 2 lang muna siguro. Lalagay ko. Kulang ako ng 220. Actually, kulang ako ng 150. So, yan. Lagay ko muna dyan. And then, for the medical, 1, 2. Kahit wala akong. Okay, medical. Lagay ko muna ito sa aking 500 yung miscellaneous. So, saan ko ba ibabayad dito miscellaneous? Mamaya, siguro, i-figure out ko yan mamaya, guys. So, yun. Okay. So, sa medical na lang na 1, 2. Let me see if meron tayong taga hundreds dito. 400 na lang to eh. Wala bang 500? Let me check, ha. Let's see, guys. Let's see. 2, 3, 4. 4 then. Sige nga, palitan ko nga itong dalawang 1,000. Naghanap ako ngayon ng barya-barya, guys. Wala akong masyadong tag hundreds because kasi wala talaga. Kahit ngayon sa allowance banda. Sige na nga. Iano ko na nga lang to. Basta may ano ko dito, ha. 400. So, lagay ko na lang to sa ating educational funds. Kasi kailangan na kailangan. Sinking funds. Medical funds po pala. So, medyo nakakaantok ang aking boses for now because galing pa ako ng work, guys. It's 7:08 AM na. So, yun. Plus 1, 2. Actually, ito, guys, na-deposit na to sa account. Deposit. Note na natin, guys. Tapos, plus 1, 2. Magkano nga ba? 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 2. That's 4, 8. 4,800 na. Saan ba yan? Ito. Lagay natin, ha. So, this is an easiest way for me, guys, to track down my savings. Yung mga notes, it's very important. So, for the kuya allowance ba yung may kulang? Oo, ng 150. Sige. Actually, wala pang 50 po. Itong dalawang 50 dito. Palitan natin, guys. Nasaan ba yan? Ito. So, mamaya, I'll go ahead and double check my credit card transaction because I needed to pay na my credit card. There. Wait lang, ha? Kasi naano ako dito ngayon. There we go. So, may sobra ako dito na 550. Which is, I am planning to lagay dito sa savings. Kunin ko muna ito kasi this is for the birthday. Actually, I'm all good with this. So, I'm gonna go get a new set of papel para for another notes. Diba? So, 550 plus savings. There we go. Actually, for this one, let me also add so I can get back. Hiniram ko to sa emergency fund. So, kunin ko. Plus emergency funds. Huwag niyo akong tularan, guys, ha? Huwag niyo hiram-hiramin yung savings niyo. Pero, if you're like me, like no choice, kailangan mo talagang kunin, then go ahead. Just make sure niya babayaran niyo lang siya on a specific month or day. So, I think I'm all set, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye!